Oh, yes, I'm sorry. West. Oh, hold up. All rise. Welcome to 36th District Court, the City of Detroit, State of Michigan. Is now in session with the Honorable Sean B. Perkins presiding. All electronic devices must be placed on silent or vibrate. Additionally, there's no talking, eating, sleeping, drinking, chewing, audio or video recording, broadcasting or live streaming. Violation of these policies may result in confiscation of devices and removal from your courthouse. Thank you. Be seated. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. All right. Good morning, everyone. What I'm going to try to do is do the best I can to get you out fast and efficiently as possible. I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. Mr. Gomez Gonzalez, buenos dias.
How are you, sir?
All right, you don't need an interpreter, do you?
No.
Very good. All right. Tuesday. Is she doing schedule today? Kayla Gerber, she's scheduled at 8:35. City of Detroit, you ready, Ms. Williams? City of Detroit versus Kayla Greer, case number SP 168-4659, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 168-46621. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Greer.
Kayla Greer.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer, Ms. Greer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with them. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter.
You know anything about? Does that mean my microphone is muted?
Prempy, good morning to you.
How do I mute it? How do I mute it?
Danielle Sharkey's iPhone. Danielle Sharkey.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Are you officer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very good. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Prempey,
Good morning.
good morning to you. Are you our House Counsel today?
I am.
Very well. All the discussions with the city attorneys are gonna be in room 4.
Okay.
You'll be assigned to room 3 with your client.
Okay.
All right, so I don't think that Mr. Where's Mr. Trell Grigsby's file? Do you want an attorney, Mr. Grigsby?
No, sir.
I didn't think so.
I'm not, excuse me, I'm not, again, I'm in special appearance of Contrail Grigsby, and no.
Well,
I'm
I
not-
need Contrail Grigsby. I need Contrail Grigsby. So whoever, if you're not Contrail Grigsby, then
I'm
we're gonna put a
special-
warrant out. We're gonna put a warrant out for your
Well-
arrest.
Well, I'm in special appearance of Contrail Grigsby, and
All
whatever,
right, so I have Contrail Grigsby.
like I said, I'm in special appearance of Contrail Grigsby, and I do not need an attorney. And he do not, whatever he do not need an attorney.
City of Detroit versus Contrail Grigsby, case number SP 168333921, SP 1683393, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
And special appearance of Contrail Grigsby Jr., Shuri Juris and Proprio Persona.
That went over my head.
No rights. I do not waive none of my rights.
All right, Woody is the date and time set for a pretrial. What do you want to do with these cases?
Should be taking it. First, I want to I added 2 pieces of documents to the court. I want to put them on a record. And my affidavit of conditional acceptance and my Naturalization Act of 1779 I already had on the record. So
I
want to
this
take it.
is what. You don't see this one? All right, okay, that's on record. What do you want to do with these cases?
I'm fighting.
All right, so you want a trial date?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna give you a jury trial date. Let a jury of his peers determine whether his innocence or guilt. Jury trial date, please. In person. The trial date will be in person.
Jury trial. Can handle this. Can this right be handled in private? I request that my this be handled in private. I don't
know what you're talking about. All court appearances are public.
Yeah, all right.
Let's pass it. We're gonna get a jury trial date and we'll go from there.
Excuse me, Your Honor, Mr. Clerk, Mr. Clerk,
Docket.
no, I have the docket. I'm just inquiring about your procedure. I understand you say I have room 3. Am I supposed to just take the clients into room 3 with me?
I'm gonna call you, I'm gonna call the case. You got Miss Green next, so what we'll do is, I call the case and he'll just alternate. Now, whoever's next, you know, so
Sure.
I call the case and everybody that I assign you to, you take in room 3. And then if you need to speak with the city attorney, you go to room 4.
Understood. Gotcha. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus, is this Shankia? Did I get the pronunciation correct? I mean, yourself, ma'am. Good morning to you. I'm sorry.
Good morning. It's Shanika.
Shanika. All right, good. City of Detroit versus Shanika Green. Case numbers SP 1585660, SP 1683569, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr.
Jabari Prempeh, P81745, on behalf of Shanika Green, present via Zoom. Ms. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Shanika Green.
Okay, Mr. Green, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Prempeh is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Mr. Prempeh, I do see that Ms. Green has an old no insurance proof and a blocking traffic, but no insurance proof at $288. If
Under
she paid
bankruptcy.
that, she would get clearances down here at the 36th District Court, potentially set herself up to get a valid driver's license. No,
I have
no
license.
eating or drinking in court, sir.
Mr.
You're in
Perkins,
court.
Judge, I have license.
You got valid license, runner license, please.
We're gonna go to
Ms. Green,
hmm.
just remain silent for now. Thank you.
If she's got a valid license, then that'll, I'm gonna still give you a breakout room, Mr. Prempeh. Run,
Can I also tell you something else? The other 2 tickets that you're talking about is under a bankruptcy case.
okay. Our license is valid. Give Ms. Green an updated offer. Typically, the city attorney dismisses for valid documentation. So give Ms. Green an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, Ms. Green, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Kayla Greer. Mr. Berry, you indicated your client has valid documentation.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to dismiss the case, ma'am, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You have a nice day.
Thank you, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Is that the soonest one we have? Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Hugo Gomez Gonzalez, case number SP 1684351. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gonzalez.
Alberto Gomez Gonzalez.
Morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, he did pay a seatbelt ticket. You give Mr. Gomez an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Gomez Gonzalez, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Speak to Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Thank you.
Pass the matter. City of Detroit versus Dorothea Gain. City of Detroit versus Dorothea Gain, case number SP 1683246, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ms. Gain, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Dorothea Game.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Please, did you find it? I have seen valid insurance and registration. I'm just gonna confirm that the license is valid, and we'll get you out of here. Ms. Gang.
All right, thank you.
Very good. Thank you so much. License is valid, Ms. Gang. What I'm gonna do is dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further now, best of luck to you. You have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. You do the same.
Thank you. Okay, let's go back on the record. Oh, it's not out yet.
Oh,
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Tell me how to come out, Mr. Berry.
yes, and watched him come out. He may have hit the wrong button, or I'll go back in.
Here he is.
Terrific.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Hugo Gomez Gonzalez, sir, I'm gonna dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day and best of luck to you, all right?
Thanks, Your Honor. Have a nice day.
Can I call the city of Detroit versus Angela Randio Soto, case number SP 166-89181, SP 128-4408, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearing for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, please.
Granados Soto.
Aquí, Ángela Isabel Granado Soto.
Do you need it? Good morning, ma'am. That's a CTOS interpreter?
Sí,
All right, we'll pass the matter. Can we get a Spanish interpreter, please? So. Good morning on the iPhone 2. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning. My name Nicholas Lewis.
Nicholas Lewis, you're gonna have to come into some light so we can see who you are, sir. Good morning to you.
Gotcha.
All right, you have a minute to get together. Mr. Lewis. Nicholas Lewis.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see you on the docket. Oh, I see. I seen Lewis, right?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, all right.
Ms. Green, could you, Ms. Green? He follow the
Okay.
process, please.
Mr. Berry, let's get it. City of Detroit versus Chillis Lambert, case number SP 1014070, counts 1, 2, and 3. S 1388841, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1410947, SP 1410947, and U 6623512. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Lambert.
Ellis Nathan Lambert.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lambert, Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him. Let us know what you wanna do when you come out, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
Pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to, oh, she's in another room. Godfrey. Godfrey, Charles Godfrey. You ever get a computer copy? Mr. Godfrey, are you there?
Yes, Judge, I am.
Good morning. This is the City of Detroit versus Charles Dion Godfrey. Case number SP 1666934, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Godfrey, state your name for the record, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Charles Dion Godfrey Jr.
Date and time set for review. You didn't pay and didn't get into a payment plan.
Judge, I'm gonna be honest with you. April 9th, I suffered an injury at work, a back injury, and I've been off work since and been bedbound. I've been waiting on unemployment to review my case, my claim, and to disperse my payment.
I'm sorry about your injury, sir. I hope you can get back to health quickly. I'm gonna give you another 30 days to get into a payment plan. Get into a payment plan. I know you're gonna have to come up with some money, but I'll give you another 30 days to figure it out. May the 29th, 2025, I'm gonna mark the file again, allow payment plan. I wish you the best of luck, speedy recovery. If it's nothing further, Mr. Godfrey, have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Appreciate it, Judge. You said April 29th?
April 29th.
May 29th? I'm sorry.
May 29th, I'm sorry, May 29th, I'm sorry.
May 29th. All right. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, thank you. Are we ready on Green, Mr. Printbeck? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Grigsby. Mr. Grigsby, I'm gonna give you a jury trial date for June 10th, 2025. We have a final pre-trial for June 9th. Which day is June 10th? June 9th will be the final pre-trial. That's gonna be, you don't have to come in person for that. We just wanna make sure that all the parties are ready to go. Ms. Mason, can you put your appearance on the record for Contrell Eugene Grigsby?
For the record, Diachiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. Your Honor, where is he on the docket sheet, please?
He's on the page 1 at 835 toward the bottom of the top, the bottom half, top of the bottom half, whatever that makes any sense.
Got it. Got it, Your Honor.
is gonna have a jury trial. We set it for June the 10th. Mr. Grigsby is, want to be appearing, representing himself or however he describes it. And I'm setting a final pretrial for June 9th. Mr. Grigsby, you indicated to the court that you had some motions or some documents that you presented to the court. I'm not in possession of those documents. So what I'm going to do is set a motion date. And I'll say the motions are going to be due by May the 23rd, 2025. And if there's a response to the motion, that will be due 7 days later on May 30th, 2025. We have a final pretrial set for June 9th. And all the parties must appear. You don't have to be in person on that, but I want the officer to appear as well, because we want to make sure there's a lot of noise in the background. Somebody's got a lot of noise. That's going to be it. I think that might be your background, Mr. Mason. But I want to make sure that that we don't order a jury, and it's not going to be actual trial. So June 9th, final pretrial. June 10th, jury trial. That will be in person. And for all the parties.
Is there since you said you you don't have my documents, is there like a way that I could personally send them to you? Like, can I get like an email or something?
You can bring them down to the court.
Okay, cool.
You need to file them the proper way.
Yeah, I came down. I went down to the Coleman Young building. And then they said this is not a felony case. They sent me to 36th district, and 36th district said do it, online. Well, I did it online in like April.
If it's online, maybe it's in the system somewhere. You can always drop a copy off with always drop a copy off.
If I may, Your Honor, if I may interject, Your Honor, I'll give Mr. Grigsby my email, and we can communicate through email. Mr. Grigsby, I'll put this in the chat for you, okay?
Yes, thank you. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
And the court's going to need a copy as well, an original copy, so that'll be. Mr. Grigsby, you have the dates, right?
Okay, I got a date, but no time.
8:30 for the pretrial.
8:30.
And it's going to be 9 a.m. for the jury trial.
9 a.m.
June 10th. June 10th. So come
June 9th.
June 9th at 8:30 and June 10th at 9 a.m.
All right, and you said I could drop it off down at 36th District Court. So who do I bring it to when I come down there?
You can bring it to the courtroom and bring it to the clerk.
All right, court 434.
All right. If there's nothing further, any
And
further
Mr.
questions?
Hold on, Your Honor, if I may, Mr. Grigsby, I just put my email in chat for you, so you can email your documents for the prosecutor's office. You can email the prosecutor's office at Dia Mason. Okay?
Yes, thank you. I appreciate it.
And we will send our documents to you when you email us, so we can email you as well.
Okay. DIA Mason at Detroit.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You're all set.
You as well. Peace and love. Thank you. I appreciate y'all.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, it's indicated to me that you want a bench trial date?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set a trial date for May the 20th, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
Yeah. Did they change anything?
You said 9:25?
That's what it is.
9 a.m. 9 a.m.
I'm sorry.
May the 20th at 9 a.m. Yes. All right. If there's nothing further, ma'am, you have a very good day. Best
You
of luck
too.
to you.
All right.
Angela,
Yes,
good morning to you, ma'am. What is your full name?
Angela Renee Gavin.
Good morning. City of Detroit versus Angela Renee Gavin, case number SP 1239274, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1239871, SP 1677963, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appear to the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
I think that would be Mr. Prempeh.
Barry Prempeh, P81745. On behalf of Ms. Angela Gavin, present via Zoom. Ms. Gavin, please state your name for the record.
Angela Renee Gavin.
All right, good morning, Ms. Gavin. Today is the date and time set for a free trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Prempeh. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lambert. Mr. Lambert, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
Okay, that's what you want to do, Mr. Lambert? Where's Mr. Lambert?
Can you hear me, Honor?
Yeah, I can hear you. You want a bench trial date will be May the 20th. May the 20th at 9 a.m., Mr. Lambert. If there's nothing further, you have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, all right?
You too, thank you.
You're welcome. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Justin Lewis. Case number SP 1610014, 1, 2, and 3, SP 161000901. SP 1682025, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1682026, SP 1684545, SP 1684546, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1684547, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Mr. Lewis, where's Mr. Justin Lewis?
Right here, sir. Hello.
All right, good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Justin Lewis. That's the record.
All right, to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Counted, I got 10 on the docket, Mr. Berry.
Yes.
I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 into the record. He does have a few other civil infractions that let's see what's going on with pretrial. Okay, he has some hearings that it seems as though that weren't added to it. He has one in show cause for June 30th. We're gonna consolidate all of this. He does have some civil infractions that date back to 8/9/2024. That he owes. Defective equipment, defective brake light, and expired plate. So the stuff that is not on the docket, Mr. Berry. Stuff that's not on the docket, a no insurance proof. Insurance no proof civil infraction. A driving while license suspended. A driving license suspended, an insurance no proof, and a wrong way driving. Get Mr. Those are the three that weren't on the docket. Give Mr. Lewis an updated offer. Mr. Lewis, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Join the breakout room and have a conversation with Mr. Berry. All over to Judge Jefferson's courtroom and see if Ryan Garner's. Aaron, Rupert.
Good morning, Judge. I am the attorney for Ms. Lakeisha Lightfoot. She's a show cause today.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
What does the NDS represent?
Neighborhood Defender Service.
Very good. And where is Ms. Lightfoot?
Ms. Lightfoot is, I represent Ms. Lightfoot on a separate matter. Right now, we're attempting to globally resolve all of her issues through 36th District Drug Court. She's in an inpatient facility right now. Unfortunately, last night, there was a robbery at her home, and her husband's in the hospital. So due to an unforeseen emergency, she's not here today. But she has been at all of her other recent appearances.
I can't say that is the case because she's got a show cause here.
I'm aware of the irony, Judge, and the tough position that I'm in sort of conveying this. But Ms. Lightfoot has not had an easy go of it, but I think we've kind of gotten her on the right path through 36th District Drug Court. And this was simply an unforeseen emergency. If we were able to reschedule, I could ensure her appearance.
So why is it that she's in drug court? Why is she still in my court then? She needs to plead to these. She's under under Judge. How is she in drug court?
We had a matter in front of Judge Marlena Taylor. who referred Ms. Lightfoot to drug court under Judge Shannon Holmes.
Okay. And what case was that?
Would you like the case number?
Please.
1 second. Let me grab that really quick.
24058-32101, a felony case?
Yes, that's correct, Judge.
What does she plan on doing with these cases?
Well, the felony was pled down to misdemeanor usage. That was how we were able to get her admitted into 36th District Drug Court. And I've been working with Ms. Lightfoot's misdemeanor attorney, Janice Stevenson, to help have drug court be a global resolution to all of her open cases.
When is she going to be able to appear?
Judge, I imagine if we set something a week out, she's actually already set to appear on May 7th. So if we set something for May 7th, I could ensure her appearance.
City of Detroit versus Lakeisha Lightfoot, case number SP 1556489-1 U69802124. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ruprecht, Neighborhood Defender Service, P87978, on behalf of Ms. Lightfoot. I'd request that we waive her appearance for today.
All right, off the record, we had a discussion about that. You indicated that Ms. Lightfoot is in an inpatient treatment facility. You also indicated that she had an incident at her home. I don't know how she was able to deal with that if she's in an inpatient treatment facility. However, nevertheless,
she was transported from the inpatient facility to Mount Sinai Hospital, where her husband's currently undergoing treatment.
Okay. For the purposes of the show clause, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond.
Thank you, Judge.
I'm going to set the matter for a pretrial. I'll waive your client's presence based on the reasons that you put onto the record, and we'll reset this to May the 7th, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. All right?
All right. Thank you so much, Judge.
All right. Have a great day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Garner.
She said he said she said they were saying he couldn't come because he actually so he was going to sort
Okay, Madam Interpreter, he's not coming in person.
At all?
Got that established. They think that because he said he called the other court and said he couldn't come in person, that he's in Flint, I guess. And so he's not coming in person.
Okay.
They don't feel that he's going to show up at all. I don't know.
Okay. Until the court changes my appearance, I still have to come in person for the 11:45 unless Judge Jefferson's office.
Maybe you might want to contact them.
Okay, I'll have Elvia, my supervisor there, contact Judge Jefferson's courtroom and see what they would like to do to proceed.
Very well.
In the meantime, how would you like to proceed this morning on that case?
Well, we're not going to proceed at all without him. So I don't know, You can always check back in. I know you have other things to do, and you can just 9:30. I usually give them at least till 10 o'clock because I know it's a digital divide and some people don't have access to phones and some people can't get on Zoom. So I try to give them at least a little extra time to figure it out. So we'll be here. I don't see us going anywhere anytime soon.
Right, right. I'll just keep myself in your courtroom and I'll just walk back and forth and check every few
Very good.
minutes. Okay, until 10 o'clock.
Thank
Thank you. Mhm.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gavin. Ms. Gavin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, the offer is failure to display.
Yes, for one count of driving on a suspended license.
And
Specifically,
the rest of the matters dismissed.
that is correct, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Gavin?
Yes.
Can you raise your hand, please? Right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand, Mr. I'm sorry, Mr. Prepay. Do you need to go over your advice or rights with all of your clients if they're taking a plea?
Fair enough.
Were you able to do that with her?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Gavin, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Perkins went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to February the 11th, 2025, at around 3:17 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Schoolcraft in Evergreen. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You could not do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I didn't have it on me.
You didn't have it on you. Okay, that's fair enough. I'll find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. I'll fine you $240, ma'am. I will waive the warrant fee, which stipulates the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Gavin, when can you pay $240? When can you?
I can pay it in June.
June?
I can pay once a month. I can pay half this month and half in June, June the 3rd.
Okay, what is this? This is the beginning. Okay, that's fair enough. That's fair enough. So pay it by June the 6th, ma'am. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat after your phone. It's the best way I can tell you to pay it. If you don't have anything further, you have a very good day, Ms. Gavin, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Do that again. City of Detroit versus Martez Goins, case number SP 119820. Strike that. SP 119820, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1267064-1. SP 1349123-1. SP 143-752, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 5800281, SP 8660751, U 153711414, U 30313316, U 31541916, 19487036. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Prempeh.
Jabari Prempeh, P81745, on behalf of Mr. Martez Goins, present via Zoom. Mr. Goins, please state your name for the record.
Martez Goins.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. For purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
For the purpose of arraignment, my client is a plea of not guilty, otherwise stands mute. Waive a formal reading of the information.
Mr. Goins, do you need any drug treatment or housing services? Do you have secure housing?
Yes, I do.
All right. Do you need some drug treatment services?
I don't do drugs.
Okay. All right. Mr. Prempeh, give Mr. Goins an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Goins, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Justin Lewis. Mr. Justin Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date to return with documents.
All right, Mr. Lewis, that's what you want to do?
Yes.
Come back May the 20th at 9 a.m. May the 20th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
All right, thank you. The 20th, right? May 20th, 9 a.m.
Yes.
All right, May 20th, 9 a.m.
20th, 9 a.m. Best of luck to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Israel Nominee, case number SP 1261968, counts 1, 2, and 3. Forgive me if I mispronounce your name. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Omania.
Good morning to you, sir. Can you give me the correct pronunciation of your last name?
Amani.
Amani. I'm sorry about that. State your name for the record, please.
Israel Amani.
Okay. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. It's Officer Zachary Biggs here. Hearing no response and not having seen that officer join the room, and not see if no officers in the breakout room, not seeing an officer in the main session. Go ahead, Counsel.
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor. There being no officer.
Please dismiss, sir, for no officer. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
Thank you. Thank you. The lady on the iPhone, did she ever get connected? No. I don't believe she. Gibson, Ernest Gibson.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Ernest Gibson, case number SB 1661453, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1661540, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
Ernest Gibson.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Those last two cases I called into the record, they were a civil infraction that he never took care of. They were alleged to have happened on January 30th. They strike that January 3rd, and they went into default January 31st. I don't have an issue with setting the matters aside if the city doesn't have any objection to it. Mr. Gibson, Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Is that arraignment on today, Mr. Berry? Enter a not guilty plea on this. Yeah, I'll give him a $0 bond. All right. Join the room, Mr. Gibson. Speak to Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
And those civil matters that
is a disregarding a red signal, disregarding a traffic control sign, or disregarding a traffic control device, and an improper equipment.
Thank you.
Let me find Mr. Gibson on here to get him in the breakout. Join the room, please. Mr. Ogletree, are you ready on lead?
Yes, Your Honor. I was asking, did the officers check in?
I'm sure some did. I'm sure. Tyrone Lee, the trooper showed up late. Trooper Harba. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
We have a half-hour grace period from the time the trial is supposed to start, 9 a.m. You missed the bus.
I got a subpoena for an informal, Your Honor, for 9:30. I don't know if it was maybe something with the clerical, but I was under the impression it was an informal. I didn't know it was a formal hearing.
City of Detroit versus Tyrone Deshaun Lee. Strike that. State of Michigan versus Tyrone Deshaun Lee. Case number SX4476172, SX4476171. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron, what you about for Mr. Tyrone Lee? Mr. Lee, key on you. State your name.
Tyrone Deshaun Lee.
All right, can you hear Mr. Lee? I think you're going to have to speak up, please.
Tyrone Deshaun Lee.
I don't think, can you get that? All right, it's low, but it's low. All right, good morning to you, sir. Today, and Trooper Harba, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Trooper Armin Harba.
And that is what department and badge number, please?
Michigan State Police, badge 1267.
Okay, very good. All right, now, Mr. Ogletree, how do you want to proceed?
I would respectfully request a dismissal.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the cases. I will not mark that the trooper did not appear. So I will dismiss the cases because of the time issue. I don't know why your summons did that, and I'm not suggesting that it's not that way, Trooper Harba, but it's just a court policy, just to be fair for everybody.
I completely understand, Your Honor. I apologize sincerely. I did not get it, and I completely understand. Thank you.
Yeah, it's no need to apologize. It happens sometimes, and I think this is maybe your first time in here. I just try to give it a half-hour grace period, and then we you know the policy, so I won't mark you not that you didn't appear, that you're a no-show. All
Yes,
right?
I appreciate you very much. Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further. Be safe out there, trooper, and be safe out there, Mr. Lee. Case dismissed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right,
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer checking in on Lavelle. Please send me to a breakout.
Good morning.
Officer Nelson, and Lavelle, he's not here. He's got a few more minutes. I can put you all in a breakout room. I see we have a lot for Lavelle, Lewis, Oliver. We have a few for another Lewis, 3 Lewises. Want to go to the breakout? You can. Good morning to you, ma'am. What is your name, please?
Margaret.
She's waiting for the answer. Margaret?
Yes. I called
because
name? Say again, please.
What is your last name?
My last name, Georges, Gorges.
Georges. Gorges?
Yes.
Okay,
G-E-S.
very good. Good morning to you. Give me a few minutes, Miss George.
Yes.
Now, would you happen to have a probation order up there that needed to be signed? You didn't have it.
No, that's a motion. Only Jamira had typed it out.
I want to ask, hello?
Yes.
You have somebody to help me for my language because my English is not very good. I speak Arabic.
Okay. We'll try it, okay? If not, we'll get you an interpreter, okay?
Okay.
At any time, do you want an interpreter now, ma'am?
Yeah, I need somebody to help me a little bit with the language, please.
Can we get an Arabic interpreter, please?
Too much noise coming in my ear. This why it's like noise there.
All right, give me a minute, ma'am.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ernest Gibson. Mr. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
A bench trial date, Your Honor, to return with documents.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. I'm at my house one.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, sir.
Come back on May the 20th, 2025 at 9. May the 20th, 2025 at 9 a.m. All right.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Miss Brenda, Miss Granados, Señorita Granados,
Sí, dígame.
do you have somebody there that speaks English?
Ah,
Do you have anybody
Hello?
near that speaks Spanish and English?
Spanish, please.
Do you have somebody that can interpret?
¿Aló? Diga.
¿Aló? ¿Aló?
Sí, sí, le escucho.
Yeah,
Le escucho.
we need an interpreter. All right, give me a minute, please. Un momento. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry. Versus. Versus Nicholas Nassim Lewis, case number SB 159466161. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Nicholas Nassim Lewis.
Okay, good morning to you. Gaten Robinson is the attorney here. Is there a, let's see, is there an officer here for Nicholas Nassim Lewis?
Good morning,
Officer Brown?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Officer Melvin Brown, badge 1586, Detroit Police Department.
Can we get Attorney Gaten Robinson in here, please? And your badge number, Officer Brown?
1586.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, let's pass the matter. We got to get this, we have to get Ms. Gaten Robinson here. On that iPhone, let's pass the matter, Lewis. On that iPhone, can you unmute yourself and state your name, please?
Wade Lewis.
Wade Lewis, good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Wade Arthur Lewis, case number SP 11202116, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11867116, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 119747, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1323008, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1326314, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1628548-1, State of Michigan versus Wade Arthur Lewis, case number SX 3638491. Mr. Berry, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Wade Arthur Lewis III.
Okay, I'm surprised Creed did not make it.
She said she made her that.
Okay, On officers for Wade Lewis, so I have, it's Mr. L. Williams, Off Corporal Williams. Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please? I have Corporal Lewis. Jamie, Corporal McCree is not here. Stokes is not here. I haven't seen Stokes. Is Officer Stokes here? So we're dealing with just, looks like this Corporal Williams matters. Mr. Berry, get Mr. Lewis an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Lewis, you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer, and that's the date and time set for it right now.
Your Honor, my docket is listing these matters as pretrial.
Oh, that's why the officers aren't here. Okay. That's because he went to he got arraignment on a felony. All right. Get Mr. Lewis, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. So go to the breakout room and speak to Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. All right.
Okay. Is that the message I just got? The breakout room? Okay.
Yes.
Do I need to join that?
Yes.
Okay. I'm doing that now.
All right. Very good. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goins. Mr. Goins, you want a bench trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Prempeh, your client has 2 no insurance civils, insurance no proofs. He owes $288 a piece on those. He owes some other civil infractions as well, but if he pays those, then he at least get clearances here and put them on a pathway to potentially get a valid license. So I'm gonna give you a trial date of May the 20th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, you too. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
All right.
It's the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Nicholas Gaines. Case number SP 1394082, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SX 3556997. Appearance for the record, please.
Sorry, Prempeh, P81745, on behalf of Nicholas Gaines, present via Zoom. Mr. Gaines, would you please unmute your microphone and state your name for the record?
Can you hear me? Nicolas Gomez.
Gomez, I'm sorry, sir. Good morning to you. Date is the date and time set for a pre-trial. A lot of other different cases on here.
Nicolas Gomez. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I have a lot of different cases on here. You should have gotten the sign of advice or things. Yeah, that's all right. Let's see. What is your date of birth, sir?
7/11/89.
7/11/89. Oh, I see what's going on. Let's see this one.
I have a son that's in there too.
You have a son that's in here, but you also have your name is kind of spelled differently. Let's make sure that it's spelled, somebody put an H in there. And we'll get the correct spelling of your name. Yeah, it's part of his son. It's also called U62846922 and 217250821 into the record. Now, Mr. Gomez, how do you spell, give me the correct spelling of your name, your first name, please.
It's Nicolas.
So it's no H in there, right?
No, sir.
All right, let's get this changed up and get this on one summary. So on the, you see the cases on the docket, right, Mr. Prempeh?
Yes, Your Honor.
Give Mr. Gomez, I want you to come back up after you get finished so you can sign an advice or rights form. Change that, take that.
Okay, I'll come up right now.
And put that on the summary. I'm gonna get you in a breakout room with Mr. Prempeh. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please.
Okay.
Join the room. All right, let's pass the matter. It should have it. Shouldn't have it. Okay. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Nicholas Lewis. Ms. Gayton Robinson, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record for Nicholas Lewis?
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this Honorable Court Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P71733, on behalf of Nicholas Lewis.
All right, the officer is here. I'm going to put Mr. Lewis in breakout room 5. Mr. Lewis, Ms. Robinson is going to come speak with you. Today is the date and time set for trial. Join the room and she's going to see if she can work it out for you, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please.
Your Honor, who is your prosecutor?
Is in 4.
Thank you.
Are you welcome? Okay, everyone, 4.
Here you go.
4. Michael Green. Officers for Michael Green. Officers for Jeffrey Grimes. Officers for Guyton. Lavelle, Terrence Lavelle. Officers for Christina Lewis and Martell Lewis and Taiwan Oliver. All of you are free to leave. It's they're going to be a failure to appear bench warrants.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
Have a good weekend.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
Sir,
you,
was
Honor.
that for, did you say Oliver?
Oliver as well.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Cool. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. This is Mr. Arthur Lewis, right, Mr. Berry?
Correct, Your Honor.
Wade Arthur Lewis. Wade
Yeah.
Arthur Lewis. All right, your client wants a bench trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your client owes on 2 old no insurance proofs. Now, he owes more, but the no insurance proofs, if you paid them $336 and $288, you would get clearances here with 36th District Court, okay?
Wait, say that again.
If you paid the no insurance proof, civil infraction of $288, and the insurance no proof, civil infraction of $336, you would get clearances here for the 36th District Court to get a driver's license. I don't know what your driver record looks like in other jurisdictions, but if you paid those 2 before the May the 20th, and potentially come back on May the 20th with a valid license. May the 20th at 9 a.m. is going to be your next court date. Okay, sir?
All right, appreciate it.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
I was just trying to see if my defense appeared in court. I wasn't sure if you called my name. I know you called a few names.
A few names. Well, good morning, Officer Overton. Let's see who is your defendant.
Michael Dwayne Green, Jr.
No, he didn't appear. You're free to leave. Be safe.
Thank you, sir.
Ms. Rahal?
Yes, Your Honor.
I have a telephone number.
Okay.
Miss Borges, she must have hung up because she didn't really understand.
Okay.
226-506-6335. Mr. Gomez, do you speak Spanish? No.
226-506.
6335.
Okay, you want me to talk to that person on the phone or?
Yeah, tell her to call back in too.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
This is the city of, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gomez. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given, no, Nicholas Lewis. Wade Lewis has got a bench trial for May the 20th. Mr. Lewis, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Lewis is getting a dismissal in the interest of justice with a stipulation to probable cause. We do so stipulate.
Okay. I'm sure you don't have any objection to that.
No, none whatsoever, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, Officer Brown.
Yes, sir.
All right, you be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, Your Honor.
Mr. Lewis, have a very good day.
You too, sir.
All right, best of luck to you all. Thank you, Ms.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great weekend.
Federal. Kate Robinson. It is. It's going to be pretty heavy anyway. It's going to make up. It's going to be very. Sorry, you're going to do it. I'll tell you what, the day of go by. We won't stop.
Yeah, Gabe Garner's. Hopefully this is it. It's changing the name.
Yeah, it's just one. Yeah. All right, I need to go. All right, we're going to figure you up here, Garner. Leave, Madam.
Okay. It is my understanding that his attorney is in contact with him and they are thinking
to show up at 11:45 in person.
All right, he will have to, I haven't heard from them, so I'm not gonna worry about it. Be safe and have a very good day, and I'd like to see you work in my courtroom, soon.
Yes, anytime you can ask for me in person. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Be safe.
Be well.
All right. Are we ready on Gomez? Not yet. Not yet. He's still working it out. Ms. Cox, you're always right on time, Ms. Cox.
Well, yes, Your
Hi.
Honor, I'm glad to be here.
Perfect time. This is Ms. Cox. Can you state your name for the record and your qual and can you state your name for the record, please?
Maria Cox, C-O-X.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court not divulge confidential communications so help you God?
Yes.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Angela Granados Soto, case number SP 166689181 and SP 128440881, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Llamaron el caso contra la señora Ángela Granado Soto, SP 166-89181, casos 1 y 2. Pidieron que se presentara, empezando con el abogado. El abogado Berry se presentó.
Yes, Elwood S. Berry on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
El abogado Elwood Berry representando a la acusada.
Gracias.
Thank you.
State your name for the record, Ms. Granados.
Señora Granados, por favor, diga su nombre para las escrituras.
Ángela Granados Soto.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, give Ms. Granada Sotos an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Granada Sotos, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Hoy es el día para una audiencia preliminar. Le están pidiendo que vayamos a un cuarto privado para que el abogado Berry le diga cuál es la oferta. Y el juez le dijo que si usted no le gusta la oferta, usted no tiene que aceptarla y puede ir a un juicio. Por favor, en la pantalla donde diga join, oprime ese botón o unirse para ir al cuarto privado a hablar con el abogado.
She's in there. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gomez. Mr. Gomez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would like to accept the people's offer to resolve his matter if Your Honor will entertain a no contest plea to the counts of a disorderly person and the counts of disorderly conduct in exchange for a 3-month delayed sentence, with the balance of the matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gomez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hey.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Prempe, oh, you filled out an advice of rights form, did you not?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you read it?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
I skimmed through it, but yeah.
I also went through his rights with him, Your Honor.
And
Yeah,
you went over the advice of rights with Mr. Prempe, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about it?
No, Your Honor.
And you know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right. He's pleading no contest?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that no contest plea?
So stipulated.
And what is the basis of the no contest plea?
Lack of recollection, Your Honor. Yes.
These are all relatively old 2022 tickets, all of them. All right. You still want to go forward with it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Then you said disorderly person, that's the as charged, right?
Correct.
And disorderly conduct?
Correct, Your Honor.
So as charged to both. No contest plea is going to be treated as a guilty plea served for sentencing purposes. I'm going to fine you $240 for each no contest plea, $240. And the 3-month delayed sentence. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
I'll waive the warrant fee. You'll be responsible to pay any reinstatement fee. I only see one. That's additional $45. Let's have a review for July the 30th, 2025 at 8:25. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse in person and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Mr. Gomez, if it's nothing further, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you. That's $240 times 2, okay?
Okay. Could I get any paperwork since I'm here in the building?
Absolutely. All right, come on back up to the courtroom and we'll get you some paperwork.
All right, here I come. Can I go in the breakout room with my attorney real quick?
Yeah, go back in the breakout room.
Okay, thank you, sir. You have a good day.
You have a better one. I just switched them to make it easy to 6.
Okay. Are there any other matters remaining, Your Honor?
It may be this lady George's, but I'm gonna have to go in a minute anyway, because I gotta go to her career day. So George's may come back. She was on the phone. She just has a left turn prohibited and a no ops.
Well, I'm here if you need me.
Thank you, I appreciate it. And good to have you.
Thank you so much. Good to be here.
Yeah, get that. You can take it, give it just to me. Yeah, yeah.
Judge, I was wondering, is it gonna be a while for paperwork? Because if not, I can wait for it.
He did it for you. You grab files later. These are just all files. Okay, I'm gonna call it a day. They come out. Let them know that we'll come back tomorrow. Just, they took years for trial. That's right. I should have told them. I'll tell them. Thank you very much. And I'm gonna have to go, Mr. Berry. Mr. Granados is gonna have to come back tomorrow.
Señora Granados, el juez se tiene que ir y va a tener que regresar. Oh, no la veo. She might be in the breakout room yet.
Okay, Ms. Cox, if you can come back in the morning, that'd be great. Mr. Prempeh, thank you, Mr. Berry, Ms. Williams-Law, Ms. Officer Thomas, Mr. B, thank you very much, and Ms. Mason. Everybody have a very good rest of your day.
Take care, Your Honor.
All right. Let her know. That's the Georgia spot. And then this was that's the everything, yeah. Let them know what's going. All right, I'll put all that everything. That's Sergeant Lord on green.
Miss Granada says that she will come back tomorrow. Can I tell her to just go ahead and leave?
Yep, she's free to go, Ms. Cox.
Okay, I'll let her know to come back tomorrow at 8:30, same Zoom number, and then I'll disconnect also. And I'll ask my agency and see if they can ask me to come tomorrow. I'll be available.
Okay, I'll send a request over.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll send it over. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right,
Bye-bye.
see you later.
Bye-bye. Oh, can you send me to her breakout room or is she gone?
Let me see if she's still here. I believe she.
I can leave from the breakout room if she's still there. I'll let her know and then that she can disconnect and then I will go too. Thank you.
Okay, yep. Do you see those, the 4 squares? Oh, yeah.
Excuse me, Mr. Reed.
Yes, sir.
Do you know if DeLon George showed up?
Oh, George did not show up, so he has a warrant out. So you're free to go.
Thanks, sir.
You're welcome. Sorry about that, officer. Sergeant Lord.
Ok. ¿Y tienes que estar aquí o ya te vas de la corte?
Que viniera mañana, me dijo.
Okay, Miss Mason, we're done.